And then the private practices in this area generally do not work directly with insurance. Speechkids does not work directly with insurance. So most of our clients submit themselves for reimbursement. We bill monthly at the end of the month, and on that day we email what we call a super bill, and that contains all the information that most insurances need in order to reimburse. But one of the things that I tell every parent that calls me, every parent, about insurance and reimbursement is to call your insurance. And you want to specifically ask them, do they reimburse for out of network outpatient speech therapy services? And everyone says, hold on a minute, I got to write that down.
And for the record, at some point, hopefully at the time that you're watching this video, we're going to have some kind of course available on seeking insurance reimbursement and how to handle this. So we will definitely be repeating this information.
But just to add
because
to
this
that,
is a huge deal.
Yeah, just to add to that, you're not done when you've asked them if they reimburse and they've said yes or no. You want to continue to ask more. You want to ask them, do they only reimburse certain diagnoses? Do they only reimburse a certain number of sessions? Do they only reimburse a certain percentage? Do they only reimburse, I don't even know what else. Anyway, and then, you want to find out what your deductible is.
Yep.
So it kind of goes on and on. Sometimes just our super bill, which has all of the coding and ID information on it, isn't enough. Mm-hmm. Sometimes they want copies of every single clinical note from every single session as well. So you want to know that ahead of time so you can be saving those. Sometimes they need a written treatment plan with goals. Sometimes they need proof of a full evaluation. I mean, it just goes on, and they're all completely different.
You can see how Christina and I feel about insurance, which is not great. It's a part of a larger soapbox. It's trash day in my neighborhood.
Sure it is.
The trash truck outside. It's part of a larger soapbox speech that I'll give you in the course. How about that? But we do accept, I wanted to mention this, we do accept if you have a health savings account or a Flex account, we can take the credit card number that's on your Flex account and you can use that to pay your bill. The way that we bill you, as Christina mentioned, is we bill once a month at the beginning of the month after the services were delivered. And we keep a credit card on file in our secure electronic medical record software so that we can bill you.
And that, most people say, oh, can I use my FSA card? Yep, absolutely.
Yeah,